In this program, we are going to understand how to calculate the average of two numbers using the eval function. We are taking the first variable as num1, and what we are doing is we are asking the user to enter a number using the input function with a message, and we are using the eval to convert that into a integer. Likewise, we are using num2 variable, again asking the user to enter the second number using the input function and further converting it back into the integer with the eval function, and by the end we are printing the average of the two numbers with this formula directly into the print statement. So if we execute this program up over here on the idle, this is the program that we have written. Click on run module. It is going to ask you for the first number, let's say 10, enter, and asking for the second number, let's say 30, enter. So with the formula it says the average is 20.